Seminole County and Central Orange County will follow. The National Weather Service in Melbourne has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central Seminole County in central Florida and central Orange County until 7:15 p.m. At 6:46, a severe thunderstorm was located over Castleberry and is nearly stationary. Hazards include 60-mile-per-hour wind gusts. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Orlando, Sanford, Apopka, Altamont Springs, and Oviedo. For your protection, move to the interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm, may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Once again, National Weather Service has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central Seminole County and central Orange County until 7:15 p.m.